Hello and welcome to Azariah's Studio. My name is Sarah. I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Studio. I'm going to show you how to do the 7-3 stitch. If you would like to make this swatch and follow along, here are the instructions. A 7-3 stitch looks like this in a chart, and in the written instructions for that matter. And I'm going to show you how to work one. It's a nice decorative increase that I like to use in my shawl patterns. So knit 6. We're going to use the next 3 stitches. We're going to treat these 3 stitches as if they are one stitch. I'm going to knit all of them together. Leave them on the needle. Pull this loop to be pretty good size. Yarn over. Repeat that. I now have 3. Yarn over. 5, 7. There's my 7 stitches done in the 3. I'm going to finish this row. On the back side, I'm going to knit my 2 and then purl to those 7 stitches. Alright, here are my 7 stitches. If you feel like you need to count them, go ahead. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, and I'm just going to purl them off, or knit them off if the pattern indicates, one at a time and in order. Sometimes the order can look a little hinky. If you're in doubt, just make sure that this loop here is right here, is this next stitch. They should be immediately connected. If you pull here and it tugs this one, then this one is actually next and they have switched places. And it happens sometimes. I'm going to knit one more row back across and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay. This is what it looks like on the front. It's going to make the holes here on the side because you're expanding those stitches. Like I said, most often used in lace patterns, those holes are probably not going to show up or matter. Here's the back side. This little ridge here could actually end up on the front as a decorative look if you knitted these 7 stitches on the back instead of purling them. So experiment with both, work the swatch up and see what you think. And that's how you work a 7-3 stitch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Happy making!